Une personne sur cent devient millionaire. Incredible, right? Many believe wealth is only for the elite, but with the right mindset you can defy that belief. Millions live paycheck to paycheck. Yet countless stories reveal ordinary people achieving the extraordinary. One key insight: savings over time. Most think money means spending. Reality: millionaires prioritize saving first. They stash away a part of their income. The more you save initially, the richer you become over time. Even on an average salary, discipline in savings changes everything. Consider this: time is your greatest asset. Investing early multiplies wealth. Delaying even a few years costs you significantly. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Setting specific financial goals amplifies focus. Millionaires map out a vision. They believe in themselves and pursue growth relentlessly. Regular learning is crucial. They don't stop at school. They read, attend workshops, and seek mentors. Mastering personal finance improves your chances dramatically. Also, look for multiple income streams. Relying solely on your job limits your potential. Side hustles, investments, and passive income shift the game entirely. Incredible as it seems, living below your means leads to wealth. Many fear frugality. The truth? Being smart today guarantees luxury tomorrow. Here's the most shocking fact. Most millionaires are average folks who made consistent choices. They didn't win lotteries or inherit fortunes. They worked smart and stuck to their plan. Remember, it's all about decisions, not circumstances. You hold the power to craft your financial future.